Let's warm up with Ohm's law. A load on a 240-volt circuit has 12 ohms of resistance. Find the current. Current, I equals the voltage E divided by the resistance R. So that is 240 volts divided by 12 ohms, which gives us 20 amps. Now a voltage drop problem. A 120-volt run, number 10 wire, 150 feet, pulling 20 amps. Voltage drop equals 2 times K times current times length divided by the circular mills. Plug in 2 times 12.9 times 20 times 150 over 6,530. That is about 11.85 volts, nearly 10% of the supply. That's over the 3% the code recommends, so you would increase the wire size. Last one, how many number 12 THHN conductors fit in a half-inch EMT conduit? A half-inch EMT has an internal area of 0.304 square inches. For 3 or more wires, you are allowed 40% fill. That is 0.122 square inches. Each number 12 THHN takes up 0.0133 square inches. Divide, and you can fit 9 conductors.